Hi guys, Junior with Keystone RV Center, Greencastle, Pennsylvania, off I-81, exit 1. Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to unhitch your fifth wheel from your truck. First thing we're going to do, why are we back at the axles, is we're going to chalk these wheels. Just put a nice wood block in there, hold them in place, whether you use that, whether you use a plastic chalk, or one of our X chalks. Open our door here, turn our system on, and we're going to skip the hitch height. We're going to do a separate video on that. We're going to extend these legs down, and I'm going to bring them about halfway down right now, and then I'm going to run the inner legs down the rest of the way. Alright guys, we got the jacks about halfway down. The next thing we're going to do, we're just going to pull that handle, let them slam all the way down. Now notice this handle won't slide across. That's perfectly fine. We're going to do that to the other side too. Now once they're down, you're going to see these legs pop across. I'm just going to run down the jacks. Now you heard one click in. Next thing you're going to do, as soon as you hear that click, come give it a little bit of a palm, and Mark, shoot this side so you can see. Because what will happen is it'll initially come just like that. You want to make sure that pin is sticking the whole way through and out. Now we're going to continue to extend it down until we hear that click again. Which way is going to be closer, up or down, Mark? There it is. All right. Perfect. Now, drop our tailgate. I'm going to leave my 7-way and my breakaway cable hooked up. What we're going to be looking at, Mark's going to shoot right here so he can see. You're going to see a gap just pop right there. That's going to be the easy spot to unhook. All right, now we've got that. We're going to come over here. Nice and easy. We're going to drop our pin in here so it doesn't relock on us. There. Now you saw how easy that was to unhook. So if you're sitting there with a hammer or a sledgehammer trying to get that thing to undo, either something's mechanically wrong or you haven't found that sweet spot yet. So now that we've got that, I'm just going to bump it up just a hair more. There we go. Going to come around here, disconnect my 7-way. Disconnect my breakaway cable. If I'm intelligent enough to do this. And I'm going to grab both of these. And we tuck ours up in behind the pin box if it's able to. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Again, getting that gap right there is really the secret to making a fifth wheel hitch easy to do. And you saw how that just all of a sudden went, as soon as you see that, come out, give it a tug. If it doesn't come right away, you probably either didn't chalk the wheels, didn't set the parking brake on the truck, one of those two, or you don't have enough of a gap. So check those 3 items and try it again, and that'll probably take care of it. That doesn't work, try backing up or pulling forwards to take pressure off of that hitch itself. And again, re-chalk the tires, reset the parking brake, and then square that away just so you get that gap. Guys, thanks for tuning in to Keystone RV Center. Hit the subscribe button, then click the little bell icon. That way when we load more product information up, you can get access to that. Share it with your friends on social media. That helps us out a lot. Helps keep Mark employed. Me, they keep around. I don't know why they keep me around. So give us a call if you have any additional questions or suggestions for videos for us to do. Have a great day, guys.